Hello everyone, good morning. So I'm sorry I cannot continue my hiring in this job because I'm failed. So it means a very stressful. So I gonna rest at home. So need more rest and sleep well. So need more concentration myself here. So need more refreshing and etc. So we're here from this one. It is analyzed in this one. It is chess by face-to-face chess. So it means today is game number 2. So last June 12, 2025, so I visited my friend at home. So it means so I played together this chess here. So game number 2. So last game 1. So it means so the score by game number 1 0 and 1. So today's game number 2. So who was the win will tie all breaks here. So in this part of these games here, and also have a between my friends and bros and without close friends here. So it means in the Philippines by Norberto Reston, the little brother of Norberto James Reston. So it means my best friends, and his sister by two sisters by Noria Reston and Kate Reston. So these are a four brothers and sisters by Reston's family. So the total by Norberto Reston is 1647 by Elo ratings from this highest rating. And versus my own, so I'm Mark P. Luwagi. So I'm from the Philippines. So the total from Elo ratings is 1395 according by lightchess.org here. So in this today's by face-to-face chess here in this part of this video, you have analyzed of the standings after game number 2. So white plays Norberto is c4, English opening, knight f6 my own, d4, d5, captured, queen captured d5. It is called by Queen's Gambit decline, martial defense. So these are the main lines here is also knight captured pawn. So these are a need more knight captured. So it means queen captured pawn book lines with a queen takes d5 without martial defense. And also knight f3 by Norberto and also knight c6 my own. So it means I move by knight c6. So it means so okay by normals here. So the problem, so these are a bad move. So that's not one of this computer engine. So the best moves there, this one is pawn to e6. So pawn e6 is a right move by this one by computer engine. So these are the slightly advantage from blacks. So back there, knight c6 my own, and also bishop g5 without moves side by bishop to g5 by Norberto, without idea, without threats the knight, so it means brand X move. So the branded move, the best move is knight to c3. Need more threats the queens here. So if you move by queen backwards, d6 here, and also pawn to e4. So these are a move by controls by e5, both knights and queens, double attacks here. So if you move by this one to controls here, and also move by e5. So stop by e5 by whites here. So according by this one by computer engine, so continuous, so these are the slightly advantage here. So back there is bishop g5 by Norberto and also h6 without threats the bishop, so it means X move. So the best moves that one's computer is e5. So e5 here. So need more continuations here. So according by this one by advantage, so these are the best solutions from blacks here. So best solutions. So back there is h6 without threats the bishop. Bishop captured the knight. So these are the captured without need more takes by bishop captured knight. So it means so these are a given by W symbol moves by Norberto. So the best moves there, this one is knight c3 again. So need more knight c3. So very mismove by Norberto here. So according by this one by computer engine, so these are the slightly advantage here. So back there is bishop captured by knights here by Norberto and also captured. Oh, without captured here, so it means I move by this one captured. So these are AW's moves. So the best move is captured by bishop. So e takes f6 is a right decisions here. So according by this one, so these are the slightly solutions. So back there is capture the pawns without idea myself, without dark square by bishop to g7, without next move by continuations here, and also without e3, without move side by this one by Norberto, and also bishop to g7, without move by dark square by bishop to g7 my own, without upcoming by castling king side, so it means another W symbol moves. So the best moves that one's computer, this one is pawn to e5 again. So pawn e5. So these are the miss move, that's the right move here, so it means without pawn e5. So according this one, so these are the slightly solutions from the best solutions here. So back there, this one bishop g7 my own without preparing castling, knight c3, good precise by Norberto without threats the queens, without idea, without threats the queens, and backwards queen e7 my own without move side here, and also bishop b5 with Norberto without threats the knights or pins the queens or pins the check. So without triple, without pins here, and also a6 without threats the bishop, bishop backwards, doubles move without backwards by Norberto. So the right move is captured. The bishop captured and queen takes bishop. So these are the slightly advantage from whites and blacks here. So back there is bishop backwards a4 by Norberto, pawn b5, another threats the bishop, bishop b3, bishop b7 my own without threats or not threats, without bishop b7, without upcoming by castling queenside or castling kingside. So need more choose of this right decisions by castling here, and also castling by Norberto and castling queenside. So these are a new move, bad novelty my own. So these are the old main lines by database is knight a5, second castling kingside. So it means third castling queenside, bad novelty. Without I move by side by castling, so castling queenside here, so it means need more queenside, and also a4 without threats the pawns, and also a6, another bad move. So the best move is push to b4 without threats the knights here. So need more threats the knights, so these are the counters attacks. So if you move by knight to e4 here, so how do you control here, and also knight captured, pawns. So sacrifice here without knight takes d4. So if you move by this one by, so wait, so if you move by knight to captured, so knight takes d4, and also bishop captured knight. Okay, so these are the best solutions here. I'm sorry I got choose from this one, so need more thinking. So without move side here, so these are the slightly advantage by these solutions, slightly better. So slightly better solutions here. So back there, this one is pawn e6 my own, and also captured, and also rook e8 check. Blunderations! Oh, what happened? So it means blunderations. So these are a below evaluation bar. So these are the highest evaluation bar, the black pieces here. So the best moves there, this one is knight captured pawn, knight takes b5, not rook a8 without check, blunders. So it means so need more capture by knight takes captured pawn. So these are the slightly better because these are the highest evaluation bar, the white pieces. So back there, rook a8 check. Oh, below evaluation bar. So not best, so it means blunders. So blunders by rook a8 check here, and bishop captured, one rook down by Norberto. So it means one rook down. So because these are the best high solutions, so these are the continuation by best solutions here, and also knight captured the pawns, and also e5 without move side here, so it means another third bad move. So it means that the best moves the one's computer, this one is knight to b4. So knight b4 here. So according by this one by computer, so it means need more knight to b4. So slightly better from blacks here. So back there, this one is without pawn e5 my own, without attacks the pawns, and also queen a1. Good move by Norberto. Without idea, without threats the bishop, without upcoming by mating net. So because these are the move side here, so it means so not mating nets. Without threats the bishop here. Without threats the bishop or check here, not mating net. And also bishop b7 without controls by own. And also bishop a4. So these are the continuations here. So it means without bishop to a4. So it means so Bran X move by Norberto. So that's not one of this computer engine. So the best move this one is rook to c1. Oh, rook c1. Okay, rook c1 is a best solution here. So according this one by Stockfish here, so these are the slightly betters from whites here. Okay. So back there is bishop a4 by Norberto here, and also captured. So wrong move by these continuations here. So the best move there, this one is king to b8. So king b8 here, so it means so these are the highest evaluation bar the blacks here. So etc etc, so slightly better from blacks. Okay. So back there, this one captured the pawns, and also knight a7 check. Good move by Norberto here without good move. And also king b8 without proc active move my own, and also bishop captured. So it means without threats the bishop and queen, so it means X move, Bran X. So the best move this one is knight captured d4. So knight captured d4 here. If you knight takes a7, where's knight a7? Oh, knight a7. Oh, knight takes a7 check. Brilliant. Without brilliant move, without captured. If you knight takes a7 here, and also without knight takes a7, without captured, without knights or bishop without threats the queens here. So it means knight takes a7, brilliant, without strong move by my own. So it means if you bishop captured queen, so it means no more queens my own without good move. Rook takes d7, and also queen to a4. So queen a, wait, queen d7, where's queen d7? Ay, rook takes, queen a4. Oh, queen a4. So queen a4 here, so it means without queen a4, so it means threats the rooks here. So it means we need more threats the rooks, and battery rook. The battery need more battery. Rook hd8. So it means I'm sorry, got confused my brains here. So need more understand by situations here. So slightly best solutions from whites here or blacks. So back there, captured the bishop. So bishop captured knights here without threats the bishop and queens, and bishop captured, good precise my own here, and also queen a6, another Bran X move by Norberto. So it means so the best once computer is knight captured here again. What happened? So need more captured here, so it means very miss the knight captured by Norberto here. So etc. So these are the slightly betters from whites here. So back there is queen a6 without many evaluation below evaluation bar from white pieces without strong move by Norberto here, and also bishop b7 my own, good precise. So threats the queens, and also queen a5, and also pawn c6. So it means so these are the pawn c6 here, so without move side here, so it means So given by Dobles symbol moves here. So the best moves there, this one is captured. So need more captured e3. So if you move by, so where do you move? If you move by knight to b5, oh, knight b5. So knight b5 here, and also captured with a check. So if you king captured pawn, and also queen to c6, where queen c6? Queen c6. So queen c6 here. So these are the slightly best solutions from advantage here. So it means c6 by my own, and also knight captured without good precise by Norberto here, and also queen c7 without queen to queen. Oh, without queen to queen here, and ignorance queen a4. So for example, in accept, why don't we try queen captured queen to queen without check, and also king captured. So if you king captured and rook c1. So rook c1, so it means triple knights and one rook. So it means threats the pawns because these are the triple attacks. So it means without one pawn without threats here. So these are a good examples here. So it means so queen a4 ignorance by Norberto. So the guessing puzzle. So what do you think about the perfect shot my own myself? So it means without tips. So strong, brilliant captured myself. So let's see of this guessing puzzle. So while waiting for a couple of seconds and continue for that. Start. Thank you so much here and congrats for everyone. Boom! Rook captured knights. Sacrifice. Brilliant captured. The rook! Shouting Gotham chess. So it means rook captured. Strong. Brilliant sacrifice captured my own. So these are the highest evaluation bar, the block. So highest evaluation bar. So it means highest by brilliance. Brilliant captured by rook here. And also captured the rook. So it means without captured and rook d8. So very strongest move here. Without moves by controls here and also rook a1 and also queen b6 without threats the pawns. Without rooks, without threats the pawns. So these are the queens and rooks here. So these are the tempos attacks here. And also rook a3. So it means without move side here. So it means so mark grade by Dobles symbol moves here. So the best move here, this one is pawn to b4. So pawn b4 is a right move here. So according by this one by this computer engine, so these are the slightly betters. So it's like these solutions here. So back there, this one is rook a3 by Norberto here, and also rook captured without threats the queens here, without idea, without threats the tempos attacks the queens here, and also queen c2 without move side by Norberto here, and also bishop f8 without good precise, without check, without threats the rooks here, without tempos attacks, and also queen h7. Oh, it is not about bad move, but also another blunderatious. So it means we're leaving the queens or upcoming by mating net. Without upcoming by mating net here. So the one's computer the best move is need more. This one, pawn to b4. So pawn b4 here is a right move here. So pawn b4 is a good slightly better here. So back there is queen h7 by Norberto with the threats the pawns, and the last move, the finishing move, this one, rook d1. So the kings cannot move by kings, so it means threat. So it means mating net, game over from whites. So it means the score tie all from game number 2. Score 1-1. So without tie also, so we're not yet done. So need more continues by game number 3 here. So it means congratulations myself. So I win from black pieces here. So I win from this game number 2 here. So I hope of this part of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Mark Logie 17, aka Icon 17. Have a good day, keep safe, and I will analyze of this game number 1-2 from Speaking Tagalog Cebuano. So I will analyze from game number 1 within my own versus Norberto Restone by 2 games analyzed. So have a good day and keep updates of these next chess updates. Happy Thursday. Bye bye.